All right, we're doing a field trip at Loin Energy today. Thought we would check out one of our favorite vendors, so come on inside. Sean, how you doing?
Good to see you, man. Welcome to Loin Energy. Come
All
on,
right,
man.
yeah, we're excited to see the facilities here and show them off to the rest of the world. All right, so Sean, most of our customers are familiar with your lithium batteries to go in their trucks, open line vehicles, trailers. But I know you guys do a whole lot of other stuff.
What we've got here is kind of a display of various things that we provide to people to help bring portable energy or power to them wherever they are, right? And our idea is you always need to have power somewhere, whether it's an emergency, work, play. So we've got products like a nice little 11-pound unit right here that's really easy to use. It's got 500 watts of output. You can use this with CPAP machines. Others are saying, hey, I want to throw it in my backpack. I want to just take off. So we've got a nice little power unit there. You can plug in the AC if you want to with this one. It also has USB, 12 volts flashlight. So this is a great little one. So this kind of highlights some of the cool things that we do. And this room that we're in right now, it's really designed to mimic different scenarios where you can say, hey, if I'm outdoors, what would I use some of this for? If I'm indoors, what would I use it for? If I have an emergency, what would I use it for? If your house goes out of power, we've got a supply for you that way. So this room kind of helps us show off the products a little bit better.
Cool, well, I'm excited to go out in the factory.
Yeah.
All right, look at this place.
Yeah, this is actually where it all happens. From design and engineering of our products to testing to receiving from our overseas partners. Everything happens kind of in this space. Back in the back, we do all of our receiving. Then as you come here, you can see some of our testing stations right here. One thing that's really important to Loin Energy, besides happy, satisfied customers, is we pound and pound and pound on top quality. So we do a lot of testing. We do a lot of Q&A. Every port, every output, every connection, all that stuff gets tested. These guys start going in and they start tearing stuff apart. You can see like one of our Loin Energy UTs is right here.
Cool.
It's getting kind of torn apart, getting more thorough testing. We
get to see the guts of them.
Almost.
Yeah.
We want people to be able to use these for a lifetime with no problems at all. So we do a lot of mechanical testing. We get into the products itself, all with the idea in mind. When it goes out the door, it's 100% good to go, and people are happy for the life of that product that they have.
Yeah, and it's definitely one of the main reasons that we are offering your products on our site is that lifetime guarantee. Nobody else in the industry comes close to offering that. Tell me about the setup right here.
What we're doing right here with these UTs is they're all being charged, discharged, recharged again, kind of going through different cycles so that we can make sure that everything's working properly. This is kind of a mid-range testing level. We go into more depth depending upon what happens. If we ever find something, which is less than 1% of the time on any of these products, then we tear them apart, we figure out what is going on and fix it, and before it ever gets a chance to leave the facility here.
Awesome. All right, well, I appreciate you taking the time for this great tour of your facilities. And
we're always happy to have people come in, see what we're all about. We love helping people with power needs and love being able to provide solutions.
So you can check them out at loinenergy.com, and we sell some of their products on our e-commerce site at reparadise.co.
These guys are awesome. Check them out. They're great. Have a good day.
Thanks for making it happen. Hopefully we'll be getting a pallet of these batteries moving with this.